Alright, so if three sides of a rectangular park have a total length 400 feet, then the area of the park is maximum when the length of its longer side is. So let us suppose the two sides are x and y in no particular order. X may be the length, y may be the breadth. I don't know for sure right now. So in this case, basically two sides and the third side. So 2x plus y, this sum is basically worth 400 feet. That's what is given to us. Then the area of this park is maximum. Okay, the area is basically x into y. Area will be maximum when. Now there are multiple ways of solving this. I'll tell you one method using AMGM. So observe that we have four numbers here, which are x, y by 2 and y by 2. All right, we know there's sum 400 and we need to kind of maximize their product. So for four positive numbers x, y by 2 and y by 2, let's use the concept that their arithmetic mean is always greater than equal to their geometric mean. So the arithmetic mean of these four numbers is x plus y by 2 plus y by 2 divided by 4. This is greater than equal to, geometric mean is the fourth root of x into y by 2 into y by 2, because there are four numbers involved. Now, this sum actually becomes 2x plus y, right? X plus y by 2 plus y by 2 is 2x plus y. And this value we know is 400. 400 upon 4 is basically 100. So 100 is greater than equal to fourth root of x square into y square divided by 4. So raising both sides to the power 4, we get 100 raised to 4 is greater than equal to x square into y square divided by 4. 4 on that side. Basically 4 into 100 raised to 4 is greater than equal to x square into y square. Last step is we take square roots on both sides. So we'll get 2 into 100 raised to 2 is greater than equal to x into y. But x into y signifies the area. So the maximum area shall be 2 into 100 square. This area is maximum when one side would be 200 and the other would be 100, right? So x would be your smaller side 100 and y would be your larger side 200. That's how you make the sum 400 and the area 200 into 100, right? So the maximum value of the area comes when the length of the longer side is basically worth 200 units. In this case, we have feet, so 200 feet. Okay, guys, now let's look at the other way of solving this. We have the area as x into y, right? And we have to maximize this area, kind of maximize the area. And the sum of 2x and y is 400. So we know that x plus y by 2 plus y by 2 is actually 400, right? Now these four numbers, x, y by 2 and y by 2, their sum is a constant, right? Like we have positive numbers, two or more positive numbers. When their sum is constant, guys, the product will be maximum, right? The product will be maximum when all the numbers are equal or they are as close as possible. Okay, if they're distinct, but here they can all be equal, right? So if the sum is 400, each of these numbers can be 100 each, right? So x is 100, y by 2 is also 100, and y by 2 is also 100. So x will be 100. And if y by 2 is 100, y is nothing but 200. Naturally, when your area should be maximum, in that case, your larger side should be 200. Very easily, you get the answer 200 feet.